Yeastar P-Series now supports call merge feature. With this feature, one extension user can merge two calls together to create three-way calling. Say, I'm in a call with Horace to discuss a project. I need to bring Cody into the project to get him updated, but I'm not sure if Cody is free.
Maybe we need to have Cody here. He needs to know about it.
Well, sure, let me check with him. Now, I can initiate a call to Cody. We'll see that now the new call is running, while the original call with Horace has been put on hold. Now we'll wait for a while and confirm with Cody. Hey, me and Horace are just discussing about the new project. There are something really interesting, and we need your opinion. Do you have time now?
Yeah, for sure. I'm free now.
Alright, give me a sec. Now he can join. We simply click the merge button. The two separated calls with Horace and Cody have been merged into one call. We have our three-way calling, and we can start our little conference. Yeastar P-Series call merge feature can certainly unlock the power of efficient communication, perfect for a business of sizes. This feature simplifies project collaboration, client meetings, and remote teamwork, and it's available on Appliance Edition, Cloud Edition, and Software Edition. So, feels like a trial? Upgrade your P-Series PBX to the latest version, or go to the link in the description and get your free trial.